what's up guys? Yesterday we had a little inspection here on the ship, so just to identify some little problems if there's anything. So a few things on the list I'm working on today, nothing crazy major, but one of the things I'm working on here is a water fountain, water cooler in one of the passageways. And so I think I've pretty much found the problem, so let's go take a look at it. So it opened up here, there was no water coming out. So I've got all the little pieces here, soaking in some vinegar just for a few minutes. So we'll clean it all up really good at the end too. But on the inside, you guys recognize this part. There's a little circle hole in the, and that's what you have to adjust to make sure that that's what allows your water to enter inside. And then this is the push button here. These little holes were clogged up. So again, the vinegar's got to get inside there, hopefully dissolve anything. That's the plan. And just a little tip there. And then I'll connect it down here. All right, so we're gonna put it back now. It's right in there. Direct it to the here. And I have a washer and a nut, which will connect right here. This is what just holds it in place. We'll just get it a little bit snug for now because I just want to make sure it's going to work. And then this will get connected just like that to the threads right here. Just like that. And this is the water supply right here. There's a power switch here which will turn on the compressor, and this fan here, and we'll get all that started up, and the water will automatically be going there. So we'll try it. All right. So it just cools the water and it stays in this tank. There you go guys, it's working, all good. So guys, I'm here, this is the utility sink. I'm gonna rinse all this off just to make sure there's no vinegar. So once again, it just comes through here, the water that sits down in the machine, comes up, goes inside there, has to go through that little tiny hole to get to the bottom of where it comes out here. That's where the water comes out, and there's a little tiny hole there that meets that hole. But from the very bottom, you see that other little hole where the water comes in. This goes in there, and this is your push button. Sorry about my dirty hands, guys. I've been working the engine all day. This is your push button. So when you push down, it opens it, lets the water, you know, and then it goes through these little holes too. So that allows the water to come through, and those holes were all clogged up, and now you can see right through them. It's nice and clean, and this is so much easier to push now. So I just want to rinse it off and put it back together, and then everything should be good. So anyway guys, I just want to make a short little video so that I can post it out here for you guys. Anyway, so it took about an hour to do. I had to take everything apart, figure out what the problem was. It's just, you know, a lot of buildup inside the little tiny pieces like that. Like I showed you the threaded area where that water comes in. It goes to a tiny little hole that you have to adjust. Now when you turn that little adjustment screw, it will partially block that little tiny hole and make it shoot out faster or slower. That's how you adjust, you know, so that it doesn't shoot too high to your, you know, your liking. So anyway, I'm gonna clean up here, and then I'm gonna run a lot of water through it, make sure there's no vinegar, and I'm gonna wipe it all off real good. I'll probably take it off one more time, just wipe it off real good, and rinse it out and then put it back on. And just like that, another job done. I've already done a couple more on the list, and I got a couple of jobs tomorrow. I have to go in people's cabins and do some repairs, so should be no problem at all. And then at the end of the day, the ship is better, everybody's happy, and then we just continue with what we're doing. Anyway, guys, if you'd like to give it a thumbs up, this little short video, just a little taste of one day out here. Every day it's something different, and that's part of the fun of it. But if you guys enjoy the content, please smash the thumbs up button. That lets YouTube know that people like it, and they will push the videos more. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel. I'll be back real soon with more videos. And like I always tell you guys that have been around, you know what I'm about to say. I'll see you on the next one.